आफ्टर ओपनिंग कैनवा यहाँ पे आपको सबसे पहले एक नया प्रोजेक्ट ओपन कर लेना है। देन इसके बाद then final go to the uploads and uploads your image, drag your image and remove their backgrounds, adjust this image like this. Okay, and go to edits, adjust their size and go to edit, dotton and custom, change their color to black. Okay, and let's crop it, adjust their size, go to elements, type trees, go to graphics, using the tree, change the color to white color like this and this in black, sorry, white color. Go to colors, to white color, adjust their size like this and place it here and change this color to white color. Place it here to duplicate like this. Like this and go to elements, type birds, using these elements in birds, place it here and go to share, download and download this image, and delete
ना किया करो ना यार
and delete this all the elements. And go to uploads again, upload your image you are जो आपने बनाई थी, उसके बाद upload your second image. They are same resolution. Go to apps, type the blend image, choose one. First image to use top layer and second image select the bottom layer. Blend mode, select the screen, add to design. There is your final result and adjust your image. Adjust there your image like this.